In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from Metamask to Phantom Wallet. To get started, open Phantom either in your browser extension or in the mobile app and unlock your wallet. Before you send anything, the first thing you need to do is choose the asset you want to receive in Phantom. This could be something like SOL, ETH, USDC, or another supported token. Picking the correct asset matters because it helps you make sure you're using the right receiving network. Next, tap or click Receive inside Phantom. At this point, choose the appropriate network for the asset you want to receive. This part is very important because Phantom can support multiple networks, and the address you use must match the network you'll be sending from. Once that's selected, copy your Phantom wallet address exactly as it appears. Take a moment here and make sure you are copying the address for the correct network. If the wrong network is used, your funds may not arrive where you expect, so it's worth slowing down and double checking. Now switch over to Metamask and unlock it. From there, select the token you want to transfer. After choosing the token, click Send and paste your Phantom receiving address into the recipient field. Before you continue, check the network in Metamask. This is the most important step in the whole process. The network in Metamask must match the network supported by the Phantom address you copied. In other words, the sending side and the receiving side need to be on the same network for the transfer to work properly. Once you've confirmed that, enter the amount you want to transfer. You'll also want to review the network fee, sometimes called the gas fee, so you understand the total cost of the transaction before submitting it. Now review everything carefully. Check the recipient address, the token, the network, the amount, and the transaction fee. This is your final chance to catch any mistakes before the transfer is sent. A good habit is to read the address and network one more time, especially if this is your first transfer between wallets. If everything looks correct, click Confirm or Send in Metamask to complete the transfer. After that, all that's left to do is wait for the blockchain confirmation. Transaction times can vary depending on the network, so give it a moment. Once the transaction has been confirmed, open Phantom again and check your balance to make sure the funds have arrived. And that's how to transfer from Metamask to Phantom Wallet safely and correctly.